Detaching yourself from someone you love can be one of the hardest things you ever have to do. It can be especially difficult if the person is still in your life or if you have to interact with them on a regular basis. But sometimes, it's the only way to protect yourself and move on. In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to detach yourself from someone you love. It won't be easy, but it is possible. Identify why you need to detach. The first step is to identify why you need to detach from this person. Are they toxic or abusive? Do they not respect your boundaries? Are they simply not a good fit for you? Once you know why you need to detach, it will be easier to stay focused and motivated. Feel and let go of your emotions. It's important to allow yourself to feel your emotions during this process. Don't try to bottle them up or pretend that you're okay when you're not. Cry if you need to, scream if you need to, but don't dwell on your negative emotions. After you've had a chance to feel them, let them go. Respond. Don't react. When you're interacting with the person you need to detach from, it's important to respond rather than react. This means taking a moment to think about what you want to say before you say it. It also means avoiding impulsive responses that could come back to bite you. Take it slow and start small. You don't have to cut the person out of your life completely overnight. In fact, it's usually better to take things slow and start small. For example, you could start by limiting your contact with them or by avoiding certain topics of conversation. Journaling can be a great way to process your emotions and track your progress. Write about your thoughts and feelings and about the steps you're taking to detach. Meditate. Meditation can help you to calm your mind and focus on the present moment. This can be especially helpful when you're feeling overwhelmed by your emotions. Be patient with yourself. Detaching from someone you love takes time. Don't expect to happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and allow yourself to heal at your own pace. Put up barriers. If necessary, put up some barriers to protect yourself from the person you need to detach from. This could mean blocking their number, blocking them on social media, or avoiding places where you're likely to run into them. Focus on what you can control. You can't control how the other person reacts to your decision to detach, but you can control how you react to them. Focus on what you can control and let go of the rest. Reset your expectations and be realistic. It's important to reset your expectations and be realistic about the situation. Don't expect the other person to change or to suddenly become the person you want them to be. Focus on your own needs and what's best for you. Love them from afar. Even though you're detaching from this person, you can still love them from afar. This means wishing them well and hoping for their happiness, even if you're not a part of their life anymore. Reconnect with what makes you happy. During this time, it's important to reconnect with the things that make you happy. Spend time with loved ones, pursue your hobbies, and do things that make you feel good about yourself. Focus on the future. Look to the future and focus on the things you want to achieve. Set goals for yourself and start working towards them. This will help you to move on and create a new life for yourself.